Hello and welcome to another video of Solidity Do-It-Yourself tutorials. In the last video, we looked at how to create a deposit crypto contract. Now, let's make this contract a little more flexible in terms of we can change the GUI to a predefined value to a variable, and then let's collect transactions and see who deposited how much. So let's do that. Number one, we are going to create a variable known as min ETH, and we are going to say 100 GUI, and then I'm going to replace this with min ETH. Instead of writing 100 GUI right here, I'm replacing this min ETH. Next, I'm going to declare an address array. So if you remember from our previous videos, this means an array address, and I'm going to call it as from address list. This array is going to store all the from account addresses so that we know who transferred, right? I'm also going to declare mapping, which is going to be finding out how much they sent. So from address amount map. So this is from, and this is a mapping. Please look at mapping in the previous video. We are declaring mapping to find out how much they sent. And I'm going to add it to the function as well. So I'm going to say from address list dot push message dot sender. That means who is sending me for this crypto the value. So the message is this is the sender, and this is the value. And I'm also going to write it to the map. So from address map, I'm using the index as the sender. So if I use the index of the account, I will find how much they have sent. All right, let's deploy this contract and let's see if it works. So first of all, I'm going to go compile it. No errors. Then I'm going to go here, delete the previous one, create a new deploy, and you see that the contract has been deployed. Now, let's do that. So first of all, from this contract ending in, or this account ending in C4, I'm going to send 1 Ether. So deposit, you see 1 Ether is there. And then from a different account, let's check, right? 1 Ether came in. So from address, so I'm going to say, what is my from? So you see that from C4, at least 1 came. So I'm going to copy this address and paste it here. And you would see that 1 Ether was transferred, obviously 1 with 18 zeros. This is the ethconverter.com where you can see 1 Ether is 1 and 18 zeros way. Now, just to show you, I'm going to add 2 Ethers, or let's say 5 Ethers from a different account. And this account ends in B2. And I'm going to say deposit. The total becomes 6, 1 from earlier and 5 now. And if I say that what is on my address 1, you see it is ending in B2. I copy this and I paste it in the map from address map. And you see that from this address, 5 and 18 zeros were transferred. This is how we maintain the list of how many people are doing it. Just play around with it. You'll get a fair understanding. I'll do it one more time for you. What I did was I did 2 transactions. One transaction, I did it from C4 for 1 Ether. And the second transaction I did from ending in B2 with 5 Ether. Please note that you have 5 and dot something missing. So it should be 95 Ethers, but you have some dot missing. This is your gas. All right. Now, what I did was, if you click on min Ether, this is the minimum number of Ether that should be transmitted, which is 100 GUIs. Now, when I transferred on the 0th address in the address array from address list. You can see here, this is the contract. I take the contract, which is my sender, and I paste it over here. And this map is going to tell me how much you have done. Now, you can do that in structures as well. We have defined and worked on structures in our previous set of videos. Next, I did second transaction where from B2, I transferred 5 ethers. So it is going to be in the list on the first location. You see ending in B2, I copy this and paste it over here. Find out, you see there are 5 ethers. I'll do it one more time for you. I'm going to pick a third account ending in DB. Here, I'm going to say 10 ethers, or 10 is not a good number because all zeros. So I'll pick 9 ethers. You see that it'll be in 91 and then a little bit of gas. I'm going to say deposit. It makes it 15 ether. On number 2, you have the contract ending in DB. And I'm going to paste DB here from, you see 9 and 18 zeros ether. And then if I see here, you see that there is 90 dot and some value, which is your gas being deducted already. So this is how the deposit, which is a payable contract or function, has been implemented. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from this contract. Again, keep watching. Things are going to get real very soon here, where we will connect to our MetaMask and we will do these transactions as well. Again, thank you for watching.